Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Alila School, home of the Eagles in Earlimart, California. This is my first visit to their campus. I had an amazing morning with all the students, TK through 5th grade, getting to share my heart with the students and staff, 2 separate assemblies, but the focus was on bullying and to look at the heart first, right? To be able to see somebody the same way that you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else. We know that our heart's as big as our fist, but we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here. We can turn that into this, right? Peace sign. One finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also too, because in just 2 seconds, 1, 2, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action. We can do or say something so kind, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way forever. Or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And so we know we have this choice, right? We know the big reason that bullying happens is that hurt people. And sometimes we become the hurt people that hurt ourselves if we bully ourselves or think negatively, and kind of hurts our heart when we think that way, right? But even worse, if that hurt, that pain that we've experienced, if we push that on someone else, the easy choice, we start to see that so often, right, in different situations and different examples, not just here at school, but in the world in general. But the whole idea is that if we can let that love and peace, kindness, right, to enter our heart, all of a sudden we can turn the hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. We can kind of step into our greatness, right? We know that we have a decision to make, and hopefully it is to uplift others instead of to tear them down. And to know that we can always see somebody for their heart first, no matter how they're born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn, their skin color, the foods they eat, the clothes they wear, the languages that they speak. We can still choose to look inside, right? To see people for their heart first, but also for this as well. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, have the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle. At the front of my shirt that I wear for this particular presentation, upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because so many students I speak to, sometimes they've never been told that, sometimes they've forgotten that. So we can be that reminder, we can be that light to their hearts, right? And to know that the need to do this is always there. There's always someone around us that's, going through something, maybe a similar kind of thing that we're also experiencing. But if we know that we have this opportunity to hopefully, step into our worth, to know how important and valuable each of us are, we start to empower others around us too, right? And bullying, yes, is repeated. It's over and over again on purpose to get power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions or words, can still have that same impact, right? And to know that, to take that to heart, we think before we act. We think about what we're going to say. If we have that power, that influence here at this school or any school, you use it hopefully to, again, build up and, really help the others around you that have no voice or a small voice, and to be their voice, right? And to be their champion, to be that upstander, to stand up to bullying and know that all of us play an important piece in hopefully trying to make this world a more kinder place. But thank you again for touching my heart. I had a great morning getting to interact with all of you. Hopefully something did touch your heart. If it did, that means you have big hearts. So go and share that gift of love with those, how you treat yourself and others moving forward. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button as you pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.